Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa and this is Hobby Beauty. Today we're going to be talking about makeup trends, themes that are in the makeup community. It's a few videos that I've done in the past on different themes. We did one on food in the like new releases of makeup, and today we're going to be focusing on holidays, specifically the holiday of Valentine's Day. Now Valentine's Day is coming up in about a week, so there is a lot of makeup that's coming out for Valentine's Day. And when I think of Valentine's Day, all I can think about is like being a little kid and going around and having a box on your desk and like your little classmates putting all your little cards in each classmate's box and getting all the cards and candy from all your classmates. That's what I think of when I think of Valentine's Day. If you haven't been paying attention to the themes in makeup, there's definitely a color story that goes along with Valentine's Day. And those colors would probably be reds, pinks, purples, white, just the overall hearts. Those are the things that I think of when I think of Valentine's Day makeup. And what girl doesn't want makeup for the holiday, you know? It's a gift-giving holiday, so people like to give, men like to give women gifts, or women like to give themselves gifts for Valentine's Day. Let's talk about some of the new releases that have come out that go with this theme. First up is the Colourpop. Well, we're going to just start with Colourpop, because Colourpop's come out with quite a few things. They came out with the Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks, and these sold out super quickly. I don't know if they're going to restock them, but they had a lot of pinky, they had like a whole range of colors, like they had reds, purples, pinks, but they had a lot of cute pinky colors to them, and I thought that the packaging was very much Valentine's, it didn't have any Valentine's like hearts or anything on it, but it definitely would be a good gift for Valentine's Day. So I thought I would mention that. Then they came out with their Valentines collection on their site, and this was with the All That palette. It looks super cute, but I do have the X's and O's palette, as well as some pink palettes from Colourpop, so I don't think I'm going to pick that one up, but it is on my list of things that if I wasn't on a low buy right now, I would get that one. They also have the Glitterly Obsessed with that collection, and I haven't tried their Glitterly Obsessed, product from Colourpop yet, but I am interested in trying it, so that's on my list. I don't know if I'm going to pick up those specific shades, but it is on my list of products to try from Colourpop. Also in that collection was just a tint. They came out with a trio, and I have two of the shades, A Go-Go and S'more, Gimme S'mores or something like that. I have those two already, and that's two of the ones in the trio, so I won't be picking that up. They also have two falsies lashes. I think they're new falsies, like different, shapes for the false lashes, so I don't think I own them currently in my collection, so I would like to pick those up. And then they have a cream gel liner set that looks so cute. Oh my gosh, it's got glitter in the liner, so that is definitely up my alley. It would definitely be for a nighttime look. I don't know if the glitter liner would go very well with daytime, but of course I wear nighttime makeup during the day all the time. Then we have the You Are a Cutie palette, which if you haven't seen my video, I did pick that one up. That is definitely for Valentine's Day. As well as, I didn't mention this, but the Blush Crush palette, which came out as well, would be a really good Valentine's Day gift. I did a video just before this one of a Valentine's Day look using the Blush Crush palette, which I'm giving away in my You Are a Cutie video. So definitely check that out. It was an Ulta exclusive, the You Are a Cutie palette, as well as, actually let me grab it. So that's the You Are a Cutie palette, and that's what it looks like. It's definitely cute. It also had a Super Shock cheek duo with a highlighting cheek and a matte blush in there, and then they had a lippie scrub and a lippie balm duo as part of the collection with Ulta exclusive and Colourpop. Some other brands that are related to Colourpop are Soul Beauty. Soul Beauty has a soft pink shade that they're coming out with in a shimmering body oil and a face body highlight. I don't think I'm going to pick those up. I've kind of been trying, like, I think that I definitely want to use those kind of products, but I've been trying to stay out of the sun more as time goes by. Even though I live in Florida, I don't lay out and tan anymore. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'd try them out, but you know, maybe. Fourth Rate also came out with a set of the BFD cleansing oil, the AM PM cleanser, a mellow milk set, and a rose face milk. And I have a face milk, the strawberry one. It smells so good. I also have the the cleansing oil and the cleanser, so I don't think I'm going to pick that up, but I definitely recommend those products. Moving away from Colourpop and all of the brands that it's associated with, we're going to talk about some of the other brands that are that have some of the Valentine's Day products coming out. There is a collaboration with Midas and Smoky Glow. And Smoky Glow, if you haven't checked out her channel, she's amazing. Check out her channel. I'll link it down below. Smoky Glow palette is definitely got those shades that are for Valentine's Day, as well as there's a lip gloss trio and a highlighting duo, and you can purchase the PR kit if it's still available. So check that out, as well as a higher end brand, Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona came out with the Love palette, which looks super cute. It's not in my price range right now, but I definitely am keeping my eye on Natasha Denona, and I do want to get a product. She's in my brands I want to try for 2020. But they also have a Love Glow Cheek palette and a Lip Euphoria in 3 new shades. So I don't know that I would pick up that specific palette from Natasha Denona, but, well, actually, I have one of the mini palettes, the Star palette. I forgot that I totally forgot that I had already tried Natasha Denona, and the shadows are amazing, but I'm not going to pick that up. Jeffree Star Cosmetics also came out with their Valentine's mystery box sets in Premium, Deluxe, and Supreme. I have not tried the mystery box. I don't know how I feel about mystery boxes. Like, I want to know what I'm getting. So personally, I don't know. I haven't tried a mystery box before, but definitely keeping my eye on Jeffree Star Cosmetics. As well as Vise came out with an edit eyeshadow palette, and it's super cute. I have not tried it, Vise, but I definitely want to try it. It's on my list. Urban Decay came out with the Wired collection, which is supposed to be for Valentine's Day, but I don't really see like the Valentine's Day colors. It's more like neons and stuff, so I don't know. I haven't tried Urban Decay's eyeshadow since the Naked palette, and I don't know. Maybe in the future. Sephora has some sets that they're coming out with. The Milk Makeup set, Glow Recipe, Kaja, Laneige, and Kitsch scrunchie set. So yeah, those are definitely cute. Out of all of those, I've tried Milk Makeup before. I would like to try their like bronzer blushes. I haven't tried Kaja, but they're on my list. Laneige I've tried. So, and Glow Recipe I haven't tried. So I definitely would look into maybe purchasing one of those. BH Cosmetics came out with their Truffle Blush collection, and it's 9 different blush quads, and they look super cute. Oh my gosh, like I don't know. I might look into getting 1 or 2 of them. But yeah, Makeup Revolution came out with the cutest Valentine's Day collection. It is the Heartbreaker Concealer, the Heartbreaker Shimmer Blush, and Matte Blush duos, and then 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, and the pans are like, everything's in hearts. It's just adorable. Like, I definitely would want to get one of those palettes. They remind me a lot of the Huda Beauty, like the green one, where it's all the green shades. Definitely reminds me of that, the green Makeup Revolution one. They kind of remind me of similar shades to each other. And then last up, we have Melt Cosmetics. Melt Cosmetics came out with the Millennial Pink eyeshadow palette, gel liners, and glosses. So those are just some things that have come out that are in the theme of Valentine's Day for the makeup themes. If you guys put down below what you guys picked up for Valentine's Day or just in the month of February, because I want to know, you know, what do you recommend? And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.